Welcome and thank you for joining us. I'm Chris Neff, the president of Boston Whaler, and I'm here aboard the all-new 280 Dauntless, the latest addition to Boston Whaler's portfolio. The Dauntless product line, launched nearly 30 years ago, continues to set the benchmark for go anywhere, do anything capability, and the 280 Dauntless is no exception. Together with the recently redesigned 220 and 250, the Dauntless line delivers exceptional durability, performance, and safety, all of which you've come to expect from Boston Whaler. Now, in addition to a highly functional layout, the 280 Dauntless brings all of the latest technology to bear, from SIMRAD displays to digital switching to joystick piloting. The 280 Dauntless also comes equipped with several Mercury outboard engine packages, all designed to get you to the spot quietly, efficiently, and quickly. Now, whether it's inshore or offshore fishing, cruising, water sports, or simply relaxing with family and friends, the 280 Dauntless does it all. Now, to show you how Boston Whaler defines Dauntless, let's take a look at this launch video. Enjoy. Now that you've gotten a taste for the 280 Dauntless in action, let's walk through all of the innovative features that make this product so unique with Mark Robinson, 280 Dauntless Program Manager. Thank you and see you soon.
Hi, I'm Mark Robinson, Program Manager here at Boston Whaler. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the all-new 280 Dauntless. This is the largest boat in the Dauntless family and is the flagship alongside the 22 and the 25 Dauntless. The 280 Dauntless is available with either single or dual outboards. Twin 250s and twin 300s are available with joystick piloting options, and all engines are available in white and black. At the stern, you've got a large platform on either side. They allow for easy boarding, either coming out of the water or coming off of a dock. On the starboard side, we've got a boarding ladder with a handle for easy re-entry. You come through this convenient passageway and you see the stern deck with a large casting platform, a 19-gallon live well on the port side, and a flip-up bench seat for 2 passengers. For those passengers, we also have a freshwater washdown here on this side, a raw water washdown off to the port side, and 2 cup holders back here to hold any beverages. Underneath the bench seat, you've got easy access to a large storage compartment. To access your mechanical space in the bilge, we've created a bottom compartment that folds up out of the way and lets you get to batteries, pumps, seacocks, and anything you need to service. Here in the cockpit, you see this boat's equipped with the deluxe leaning post with gyro stabilizer. Gives you easy access to a sink with fresh water, a cup holder on either side, and a rod holder on either side. There's a storage compartment, a storage tub on this side, and inside you'll find an optional Seakeeper 1 gyro stabilizer. Also available is a deluxe leaning post with live well, where there's no gyro underneath, but there's a nice large live well in case you need 2. The base boat comes with a convertible leaning post, which allows you to have a very comfortable helm seat with flip-up bolsters and armrests, which at the touch of a button folds back and creates aft-facing seating. This seat's a great place to watch bait, watch the kids at the beach, or flip up the stern seat and just have a meal with friends. On the port side of the boat, this boat's equipped with the optional swim patio. Simply flip these two latches open, remove the safety pin, and deploy. This provides easy boarding and swimming in the water. A ladder deploys off the aft side, and you can have tons of fun with family and friends. All helm seating configurations provide comfortable flip-up bolsters and armrests to provide a great place to run the boat. Here at the helm, you've got a stainless wheel with knob, multiple cup holders, Mercury controls for the single or dual engines, and easy access to your trim tab controls. Moving up, this boat's equipped with Simrad electronics. Here we've got the 16-inch display as part of our deluxe electronics package that gives you this acrylic dash. This boat's got JL audio, controls, amps, and you'll find 8 speakers spread throughout the boat for a great stereo experience. A glove box to store all your belongings, a Simrad VHF, and digital switching integrated to control the circuits on board the boat. Many of those circuits also have redundant switches here in case you want to get to things quickly. On top of the helm, you've got this nice pad with integrated phone charging, plugs for USBs, and an easy-to-see compass. Moving up from the helm, you've got multiple windshield options. This boat's equipped with our new full glass with wiper, washer, and electrically actuated vent. This allows you to be safe from the wind and elements while you run this boat. The base boat comes with a classic half-glass acrylic windshield if you want that open boat experience on your 28 Dauntless. At the top, you've got this fiberglass hardtop, the underside of which can be color matched to your hull sides. Here on the back, you've got the optional PTX Sure Shade, which at the push of a button puts shade all the way out over your cockpit. You've got a water sports tow point, and if you don't have the Sure Shade, you'll have 4 rod holders here across the back. Additionally, the boat has an e-box here for more storage, and the boat can also be equipped with outriggers for offshore fishing. Moving forward, inside of the console, you'll notice that we've made the door wide here at your shoulders for easy access. There's a wood step and a head inside. The base boat comes with a standard head with pump out, and the upgrade, which is on this boat, is a vacuum flush system for that large boat experience. Also inside of the console, you'll find your remote battery switches, breakers, your key switches, and a fold-down door for easy access to the area behind the helm. On the front of the console, the lounge provides an excellent place for 2 people to ride. There's fold-down armrests, there's cup holders, and plenty of legroom. Underneath the lounge, you've got lockable storage where you can pass through 7-foot rods, all the large gear you want, and this new removable tote that we've included for your small items. Further into the bow, you've got a low-profile grab rail on either side with integrated cup holders. These can be replaced with a high bow rail if you'd like. Underneath, there's a rod holder on either side and JL audio speakers. Here in floor is a large fish box with pump out. It's insulated and it's got room for a big dolphin if you need it to, or it's a great storage compartment for whatever you bring on board the boat. On either side, there's a lounge seat with a flip-up backrest. Underneath the bow seats, there's a storage compartment on either side. This is great to store your items you bring on the boat, or it's fully insulated and you can use it as a cooler. The bow table sets up between the seats, or it drops in to create a filler that you can remove the cushions and use as a big casting platform, or if you want a lot of comfort on the boat, drop that down, put the filler in, and install your cushions, and you can have a large sun pad in the bow. The open bow design allows you to walk right next to the anchor locker, and it gives you easy access to the windlass or to deploy the bow ladder. These 2 features are available together, and a bow sunshade is available that plugs into these rod holders and clips to the hardtop. It provides shade for all of this bow seating area. Thanks so much for coming along for our walkthrough of the new 280 Dauntless. We're really excited about this boat and we hope you are too. For more information, see our website at bostonwhaler.com.